Hi guys, my name is Mr. Happy and welcome to my channel. This channel is the scariest channel in the YouTube. If you don't want to see anything scary, please exit. Just kidding guys. Guys, my name is Mr. Happy. I'll do everything you say. I'll do question and answer, dare or anything. Just ask me those questions and I'll answer it for you, or if you ask me a dare, I'll do it for you. Sometimes I'll make a video with Thomas or Matthew, and Thomas or Matthew, and then we're gonna do a fun one. So if you watch them, please give thanks to them by going to their YouTube channel. You know, watch one of the YouTube videos and like them, subscribe them, and I hope you have a fun in my channel too. Thank you, and see you next.